Hello everybody and welcome to another BasicSysAdmin tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how you can install WhatPulse on Ubuntu 16.04. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing that you'll need to do is open up the web page that is linked in the description below. As you can see, there are a fair number of commands, so although this step isn't required, it will make your life a lot easier, just so you can at least copy and paste the commands in. So once you've got that open and you're ready to go, you will need to open up the terminal. So when this is open up, you can type in the first command, which should be sudo apt-get update. This is just used to update the packages available on your machine, so at least you've got everything up to date. So once that has finished updating, you can go ahead and paste in the next command, which will go ahead and install all of the packages that are required by WhatPulse and anything else that it needs. So this command can take a little while because it is installing quite a few things, so I will go ahead and speed this up for you, just make it a little bit quicker. So one thing you can do while that is installing everything is to go to the WhatPulse website, which you can get to by clicking on the pink link in the guide. This will bring you up the WhatPulse downloads page where you can actually download the appropriate package for your machine. The bit we're going to use is the 64-bit Ubuntu link, and this should automatically download to your downloads folder. If it does download anywhere else, just make a note of that, as you will need that shortly. So once you have downloaded everything, then you can change to your downloads folder, or wherever it is you downloaded WhatPulse to. The next step you're going to need to take is to create a programs folder just to actually store everything in. We're going to do that in a folder called programs, and then within that another folder called WhatPulse. Once you've created that, you can extract the WhatPulse file that we downloaded into the WhatPulse folder that we've just made. Once you've done that, you can change to the programs folder and then within that the WhatPulse folder, and you can run the program called setup-input-permissions.sh. What this will do is just set up all the permissions that you need to actually have to actually execute the program. You will be asked to enter your username. Make sure you do click confirm first, or the return key, and then your username, not like I did, because I did kind of skip that step and cocked up. So if you try and do it correctly, unlike me, then it should go through straight away for you. And there we go, that's done. So once you've done that, you can run another command which will basically give the WhatPulse program permissions to monitor network statistics. You don't need to do this, but if you do want to obviously store network stats, then just run this command. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've done that, you can actually run the WhatPulse folder. You can do this with // and then WhatPulse. And here we have the WhatPulse login page. So just go ahead and type in your email address and password, and once you've done that, you can choose PC name and click confirm. And there you have it, you have WhatPulse just exactly how you would have it normally. It's counting network stats, input stats and everything like that for you, which is brilliant. And if you're happy with that, you can stop here, or if you wanted to go one step further and actually make this start when you turn on your computer, then you can certainly do that. What you'll need to do is go to the startup application, so go to the top left and click startup. You can then add a new startup program, give it a name, choose the path which we install to, so that will be programs and then WhatPulse, and then give it some kind of comment and click add. And that is pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and do a restart, just prove that this does work. So I'll speed this bit up for you as well, just as, you know, restarting can be a bit slow sometimes. Right, so when it has restarted, you should notice that WhatPulse automatically starts for you without you actually having to touch anything. So that is it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've liked it, please do give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. If you've got any questions, please leave those in the comment section below. And if you've got anything else you'd like to let me know, please do hit me up as well. So I shall see you in the next one. Bye guys!